Are you on keto? And do you love Starbucks? Well, I've got just the stuff for you. Let's go! Hey everybody, it's Amanda from Local Love, and today we are at Starbucks. I just went and rolled through their drive-thru, and I'm going to show you two drinks that you can do that are keto and for just a few carbs, and I'll print them, when I tell you what they are, I'll print them on the screen, how you make them, and how many carbs approximately they should be. Alright, so for the sake of this video, we did grandes, and so let's start with the coffee, because you come to Starbucks to get coffee, man. Alright, so here's our first drink, and I don't know if they actually did what I asked them to do, which I asked them to double blend it, but perhaps they didn't. At any rate, this is supposed to be the keto frappuccino. Alright, it smells really good though, so let's just see. Oh, they didn't even put a sticker on this one. Interesting. Alright, so for this one, what we did is we did a grande coffee, iced coffee over light ice. We did a couple splashes, I think it was 2 splashes, maybe 3, heavy cream. And then we did 3 pumps of sugar-free cinnamon dolce syrup. And that's pretty much it. So let's see if I'm sure it's going to be good. That sounds pretty similar to the one I already do, except that I asked them to double blend it. And I don't know, maybe they did. It's not quite as thick as a typical frappuccino, so I don't know if they double blended it or maybe just should have left a little more ice in it. It's not bad. I feel like they could have put one more squirt of cinnamon dolce in there, but it's really good. If you're looking for a little caffeine boost and you like your coffee to taste like coffee, it's very refreshing. All right, I'll finish that up in a moment. Now, here's something I tried previously and it didn't work out for me. Alright, so for this one, come on, we all know, it's the pink drink. It's a little harder to see, but there she blows. Alright, so for this one, and I haven't tried it yet, but this is my ketoized version of the pink drink. Alright, basically you get the iced passion tango tea. And again, I'll put it on the screen if I mispronounce it here. I apologize. You get, 2 or 3 splashes of heavy cream, depending on your preference. I would say 3 for this one. And then 3 pumps of sugar-free vanilla syrup. And you want to do that over light ice. All right, so I'm going to give it a little zhuzh. Let's try it. I have not tried these yet. Honestly, it is really good. I mean, there's no caffeine in it, obviously. Well, actually, there's tea. I don't know if this particular tea has any caffeine, but if there is, there's not a whole lot. Honestly, this is really good. I don't know if the normal pink drink is this swishy, but either way, this is very refreshing. Kind of reminds me of strawberry, not quite strawberry yogurt, but you're definitely getting that strawberry vanilla-y taste. I like this one a lot. I'll call this one a thumbs up. I might be ordering that one again. Pretty good. Now altogether, we didn't pay much either. It came to less than $7 for 2 grandes. It's a pretty good deal. So, treat a friend. Take them out there and teach them how to ketoize their Starbucks. You don't think about it, but there's a lot of wasted calories and wasted fats and wasted carbs in our case in these drinks. We love these drinks. We want them. I'm not a huge Starbucks person, but occasionally, I like to go and treat myself to a little Starbucks, especially when I've got some hacks to, get a good deal, and I'll link that one up there so you can check it out. But, at the end of the day, I typically make mine at home or I go to a local coffee shop like Austin's Coffee or Stardust, any place local. I prefer Austin's, but you know, I've been going there for a long time. I love the people. At any rate, guys, at the end of the day, these are great. And if you're going to do Starbucks, you're in a rush, you got to grab something, you're looking for a little treat so that you don't slide off your keto, or maybe you need a little caffeine boost, these guys are going to get the trick done. So, all right, guys, we're going to catch you next time. Peace.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with all your friends.
And hit that bell so you know when we have a new video.